What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch YouTube, representing the birds. 4 days. 4 days away from kickoff of the 2024 NFL season, where your Philadelphia Eagles will face the Green Bay Packers in Brazil, week 1. I blame the Dallas Cowboys. I do. I blame the Dallas Cowboys for this Green Bay Packer hype train. I do. Green Bay, and we'll get to their schedule. Green Bay was 9-8. There was a wild card. They lost to the Giants. Okay? They lost to the Raiders. They lost to some of these teams. But then they go to Dallas and they make Cowboy fans look like this.
Run Paulo here, because we've been throwing the ball a lot.
Oh, shit! Dad! No!
It's over! It's over! This game is over! Cut it off, it's over!
Fuck.
Congratulations, Green Bay! Congratulations, Green Bay! Congratulations, Green Bay!
I said run the ball.
Congratulations, Green Bay! Dak Prescott, you need to be fired today! That was on you, Dak! That was on you, Dak! That was on you, Dak!
I said run the ball.
That was on Dak Prescott! Trying to defend the CeeDee Lamb! Trying to defend the CeeDee Lamb! You trying to defend the CeeDee Lamb!
And as y'all can see by their schedule last year, they beat the Chicago Bears, but then you lose to the Atlanta Falcons. You beat the New Orleans Saints, just like Jalen Hurts. But then you go on a 4-game losing streak. Losing to the Detroit Lions. Losing to the Raiders. Losing to the Denver Broncos. Losing to Minnesota. You beat the Rams. You beat the Rams. But then you lose to Pittsburgh. And granted, you beat the Chargers. You beat Detroit. You beat the Chiefs. But then you lose to the New York Giants. The New York Giants? Really? The Giants? Really? You also lose to Tampa Bay, but you beat the Carolina Panthers and you beat the Minnesota Vikings. And then, of course, you beat the Dallas Cowboys 48-16, because that 32 really don't count. But then you lose to San Francisco. As y'all can see by this schedule last year, you lost to the Atlanta Falcons. You lost to the Raiders. You lost to Denver and Minnesota, probably without Kirk Cousins. You lost to Pittsburgh. You lost to the New York stinking Giants. You lost to Tampa Bay. But because you beat the Dallas Cowboys, you got all this hype. I don't understand. All this hype. You was on a 4-game losing streak. You was 9-8, a wild card. And because you beat the Cowboys, who is losers in the playoffs, you got all this hype. And some people on ESPN, they got like Montana Bob. They got y'all in the Super Bowl. Montana Bob. They love. They got love. They got nothing but love for you, baby. They got nothing but love for you, baby. They got nothing but love for you, baby. Mike Tannenbaum even thinks Green Bay's going to beat us. All this hype. All of this for a team that was on a 4-game losing streak. Losing to the New York Giants 9-8. Man, that's what it was. 9. What was it? Hold on. Okay, and you also beat Chicago Bears. My bad. I forgot about Chicago. So you was 9-8. My bad. I forgot about Chicago Bears. So you was 9-8. And only because you beat the Dallas Cowboys. Only because you beat the Dallas Cowboys 48-16. That's your world beaters. I don't understand this hype. I don't. And luckily, the Philadelphia Eagles will be the one to burst that bubble in 4 days. The Philadelphia Eagles will be the team to pop that hype. Because that's what it is with Green Bay. You're nothing but hype. Nothing but hype. People want to downplay us. People want to downplay this team all because of what happened last year. Y'all was 9-8. Losing to the New York Giants. Losing to the Giants, man. Come on. Come on. You're nothing but hype. Packers, you're nothing but hype. And luckily for you, the Philadelphia Eagles will burst that bubble. You're nothing but hype. A lot of people are going to say, believe the hype. No! Because those are the same people that didn't want to believe or acknowledge Jalen freaking Hurts as a franchise quarterback. I'm not going to give these people the satisfaction of believing some hype from Green Bay. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not. All because of stuff like this.
Run Paulo here, because we've been throwing the ball a lot.
Oh, shit! Dad! No!
It's over! It's over! This game is over! Cut it off! It's over!
Fuck.
Congratulations, Green Bay! Congratulations, Green Bay! Congratulations, Green Bay!
I said run the ball.
Congratulations, Green Bay! Dak Prescott, you need to be fired today! That was on you, Dak! That was on you, Dak! That was on you, Dad.
I said run the ball.
That was on Dak Prescott.
Trying to feed him the
Where
ball.
the hell is he throwing it
Trying to feed the CeeDee Lamb.
See?
Trying to feed the CeeDee Lamb.
That's it.
You tried to feed the CeeDee Lamb.
I'm not going to believe the hype. I'm not. Sorry to burst your bubble. I'm not going to believe the hype. The Philadelphia Eagles is going to go to Brazil, and they're going to beat the Green Bay Packers. They're going to end this hype. It's over. It's finished. It's done. The Philadelphia Eagles will do Detroit a favor. They will do the Bears a favor. They will do Minnesota a favor, and we're going to end this hype known as the Green Bay Packers. And just know, Green Bay, nothing personal. It's just business. Because we in the winning business. And if you ain't winning, you ain't got no damn business up in here with the best.